SAE India is the largest affiliate of SAE International, and let me also tell you how SAE International began. So it's more than 100 years old organization, that is the Society for Automotive Engineers, with the objective that it would promote the practice of mobility technology. And it was promoted none other than the Wright brothers and Henry Ford and similar such distinguished personalities from this automotive field way back in 1900s in USA. So since then it has spread to many countries, and in India we happen to be the largest affiliate with more than about 25,000 members that we have on rolls. These members are primarily the professional members and also the student members. So we have several collegiate clubs, more than about 250 or say about 300 collegiate clubs we have in India itself, and we connect to the students, engineering students, get them interested in the practice of mobility technology. What we also do is that right from the school level we pick up, we encourage the students in this mobility practice, and we have competitions like World in Motion, WIM. So in that we teach students how to apply the theoretical science and Newton's third law into practice, and how through the pressure exhaust from a balloon, how a toy vehicle can move. This kind of experiments make the students and the faculty members in those schools interested in this art of mobility. So from school level, as they come to college level, so there again we have number of schemes, number of engagement for the students. It could be the kart baha competition, that is the all-terrain vehicle. The students make the vehicle all by themselves, right from design, prototyping to fabrication. And it has zonal and all India level national competition. There many students, they from across the country, they bring their Baha vehicle and they participate in the competition. And then there are different rounds of competition. It could be digital, this mock-up competition, and once they select, then they get into the actual fabrication and actual running of the vehicle. We also have Supra SE. It's like Formula One competition for the students. So recently, just few days back, we concluded this event. It was sponsored by Maruti Suzuki. So Maruti 800 engines were given to selected colleges, and the college teams, they came up with their own Formula One vehicle, right from design, fabrication, everything. And in this Madras test track, we had a race, this motor race, Formula One motor race. We call it Supra SAE. Apart from that, we had many top tech programs, and these top tech programs are taken by luminaries from the industry and academic institutes, and also there are many lecture series, many special lectures we conduct for the students, and most of these lectures are totally free of cost that we bring to our students. So in a series of such lectures and series of such top tech programs, so students in different collegiate clubs, they get interested in this art of mobility. Apart from that, we have a program called ASOP. So there we pick up students right from their third year and fourth year, and during their vacation time, we take them through different nuances of engineering practice, right from reverse engineering and working hands-on on some of the packages like CATIA, PROE and all these applications, so that the moment they come out of their institute, they are readily employable and they can be put to the work. So last year again we selected many candidates. This year again we are running this campaign, and we are getting really good response. Besides that, we have students convention. that is the annual students convention. This year again we have this national students convention happening in down south. So in the student convention we have different tiers of competition, and they come up, students write their papers and they make models. There will be aero modeling competition, and also like even RF controlled this vehicle competitions, and apart from that many paper presentations are also there. So these are many activities that help students to remain interested in mobility engineering, and not necessarily they go into IT management and such disciplines away from mobility. So we also have interesting programs for them, like club officers leaders training or trekking. So through this during different trekking programs of club officers leaders program, so we teach them on soft skills, we teach them on leadership aspects, and many of these visits we organize for them totally free of cost, and we take care of that. Besides, SAEINDIA also has its own foundation, and we have different scholarship programs for the students, for capable students. And we also have many recognitions for SAE professional members. And so like that, right from the students to professional members, we keep them involved in this practice of mobility engineering. When it comes to practicing managers, time to time we conduct different workshops and different get-together of professionals, or discussion or seminar on some of the contemporary topics. It could be ground vehicle design standards, it could be maybe vehicle safety, it could be on automotive infotronics, and thereby these professionals in this field, they get a chance to interact with each other. So after all, as SAE comes to your life, you would see for a mobility practitioners, SAE is there in their life right from the school level to college, and when they graduate into the professional field. So SAE is there with them throughout their lifespan. So I'm very happy to inform that SAE had to bid for APAC16, getting APAC16 in India, and APAC15 was held in Vietnam, and APAC16 is being held in India. So that itself is a growing recognition that India is truly emerging to be the global hub for automotive industry. And as you know, this is the 16th version of APAC, and every 2 years, once in 2 years, this APAC is held internationally in Asia and in the Pacific region. And so it was held before in Japan, in USA, and even in other places, and all the other SAE bodies like SAE Australia, SAE China, SAE Korea, they are all actively taking part in it. So this APAC16, it's like the Olympics for SAE fraternity. In APAC16, you would see more than 200 delegates coming from abroad, and there are several papers that have been contributed by SAE members from outside India. A lot of interest has been shown by SAE Russia, SAE Japan, and SAE Korea. So with this and SAE growing to such stature, just not being restricted to being the largest affiliate of SAE International, getting into this league, this international league, and which will also see the congregation of several global leaders in this field, in the automotive industry. They will be coming and they will be interacting, will be sharing ideas. So this will undoubtedly establish not only SAEINDIA, but India as a whole as a natural choice for automotive destination. And recently there was a strategic report that says that the new trend in the next 15 years is going to be this automotive production is going to be distributed. So this, the organization like OEMs and other automobile manufacturers, they are getting globally distributed, and the sales and production function, they are moving more towards the BRIC countries. So BRIC countries will be the epicenter for all the sales and production activities. And when it comes to production activities, it is again the green technology and looking into the emission aspects, looking into the electric vehicles. So these are the aspects that one needs to look at. The other aspect is that this vehicle automotive infratronics. So electronics is playing a major role in vehicles. So that is again a new trend. And the third trend is that frugal engineering. So India today is in a very, very competitive position, and these three aspects that is going to rule the global automotive industry in next 15 years. So that is the fuel aspects, the green vehicles or the fuel efficiency of the vehicles or the hybrid vehicles. So that is the aspect number one. The second aspect is this electronics in the vehicle, vehicle electronics. So your seat belt mechanism and your this airbag release mechanism. A lot of electronics is getting built into the vehicle. Almost about 30 to 40% of the automobile vehicle cost goes into electronics. So that is again the second trend. And the third trend is the frugal engineering. People are gradually opting for a smaller car, and this frugal engineering is coming to play. That's why you would see that India is becoming hub for Hyundai and for Ford in terms of creating India as a base for their small car. So when it comes to these aspects, a lot of deliberation will happen in APAC16 in terms of this technology, vehicle safety, frugal engineering, then your hybrid vehicles and vehicle electronics, sustainability, what you call it, sustainability, mobility technology and sustainability. So when it comes to that, then this APAC16 will be an ideal platform to exchange ideas. In fact, just now today we had a press conference. We had Dr. Pawan Goenka from, he is the president SIAM. He also happens to be the chairman of this APAC16 committee. And we also had Srivaths Ram, who is the managing director of Wheels India. And he also happens to be the president of Automobile Component Manufacturers Association, what you call ACMA. So this is a forum, this APAC16, where SAE, ACMA and SIAM, they are all coming together. So what could be a better platform than this to champion this cause of mobility practitioners?